Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei Y7 Prime 2019 or Y7 Pro 2019 smartphone. It comes with 4000 mAh battery along with 10-watt charger. So we are going to see that how much time it's going to take to reach from 0 to 100%. Right now the battery is 0, you can see that it's not even switching on. So for this testing purpose, we are going to use the official Huawei 10-watt charger that comes with the retail box and this cable. And we will be using this another smartphone for timer purpose. So let's just start it. So it's starting with 3%. So it seems that Huawei Y7 Pro or Prime 2019 is keeping a bit of battery juice in reserve for some reason. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it's 12%. So after 10 minutes, battery percentage moved to 12 from 3%. Let's switch on the device now. So right now you can see that there is no SIM card inserted. The device is connected to the Wi-Fi and no battery saving mode is used. We are going to switch off the smart resolution to make this test fair. No fluctuation in the hardware usage. And now it's 40 minutes. Let's have a look on the battery status one more time, and it's 39%. So after 40 minutes, battery percentage reached to nearly 40%, we can say, and it is showing that 1 hour 25 minutes is still remaining until the battery is going to be fully charged. So it's 1 hour exactly now. Let's check the battery status one more time, and it's 55%. In last 20-21 minutes, battery percentage moved from 39 to 55, and still 1 hour 2 minutes is remaining until the battery will be fully charged. It will reach to 100%. So it's 1 hour 33 minutes. Let's have a look on the battery status again, and it's 80% exactly. So after 93 minutes of battery charging, it reached to 80% from 3%, and it's going to take 39 minutes more to reach 100% from 80%. So it's 2 hours now exactly. Let's check the battery status, and it's 96%. So after 2 hours, the battery percentage reached to 96 from 3%, or we can say 0% because the device was not even switching on when we started this video. And we still got 10 minutes more to go to reach 100%. It's 12 minutes more now, and the battery percentage is at 99. Now I'm going to keep this screen turned on because it's showing less than 5 minutes remaining for the battery to reach 100% now. And now it's at 100% after 2 hours 20 minutes 57 seconds. So it took exactly 2 hours 21 minutes from 0% to 100%, or you can say 3%, because when we started testing the device was not turning on, but when we plugged in it was showing 3%. So whatever you would like to consider, and based on your usage pattern and scenario, you will get a bit less or more time, because as you can see that right now there is no SIM card inserted in this device, there is no mobile data turned on, there was no battery saving mode turned on as well, smart resolution was off. So considering all these settings and scenarios, it took 2 hours 20 minutes, but in your case maybe it will be a bit few minutes more or less. But still we can consider 2 hours 15 minutes as standard for Huawei Y7 Pro or Y7 Prime 2019 to reach from 0% to 100%. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, hit the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.